Ja, wir spielen ein Stück für alle ungeschliffenen Rohdiamanten da draußen und alle, die sie noch nicht erkannt haben, Diamonds in Disguise. You see my hair, I look like Mickey Mouse, and even I'm old, I'm strong enough to build a house. One arm is too long, one leg too short, they say. But here am I walking, no matter what, right on my way. If I was all that you can see, who would be surprised? Diamonds aren't found easily, and I'm waiting in the sky. I was a sinner, I kept myself away. I work on my edges, allowing me to stay. I am a seeker, but not for glory or gold, believing I'm sent here to carry on your load. If I was all that you can see, who would be surprised? Diamonds aren't found easily, and I'm waiting in disguise. If you were miner, let you dig to the core. What you might find there could open a new door. I'm full of scratches and chips and cracks appear, but inside I'm shining a light against the fear. So you make your choices, either run or be slow but combine. If you could see through me, you know I never leave you behind. If I was all that you can see, who would be surprised? Diamonds aren't found easily, and I'm waiting in disguise. If I was all that you can see, who would be surprised? Diamonds aren't found easily, and I'm waiting in disguise. And I'm waiting in the skies, and I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. Jerry. Never seen Jerry, people talk about him. He was born in the street where we all live in. His dad died from cancer when he was 21. He grieved and started drinking together with his mom. He had a crush on Rita, she was righteous and sweet. She left him crying when he yielded to the gin. So courteous and friendly he was on the day When he poured his glasses, you better get out of his way. Oh, Jerry, answer the call, 'cause if you don't, you hurt your soul. Oh, Jerry, go on your knees. If you do, you might find relief. You stayed in the house, barely never walked out. His mom did the work and he ordered her around. You cannot be lost on a road that is straight. When Jerry drove in circles, he knew it was too late. Oh, Jerry, answer the call, 'cause if you don't, you hurt your soul. Oh, Jerry, go on your knees. If you do, you might find relief. We all knew little Annie, she was bright and just 9. And she walked her dog when Jerry's car broke her spine. And Jerry was speeding too drunk to slow down. He overlooked Annie, she still missed in this town. Jerry, answer the call, 'cause if you don't, you hurt your soul. Oh, Jerry, go on your knees. If you do, you might find, oh, you might find, Jerry, answer the call, 'cause if you don't, you're gonna hurt your soul. Oh, Jerry, go on your knees. If you do, you might find, oh, you might find relief. Ja, wir haben noch ein Lied, und zwar für alle ganz normalen Leute, die aber doch mal zum richtigen Moment am richtigen Fleck sind für andere und dann doch wieder was Besonderes sind, obwohl sie so normal sind. Angels of Flesh and Bone. There was a teacher that you had in school. She was stern but patient. She taught you the rules. She saved young horses from where they would otherwise have gone. She was an angel of flesh and bone. Here is your neighbor from just across the street, always there for a chat, and he opens your beer, lends you hammer and nails, so you won't work alone. He's an angel of flesh and bone. Here come the cabmen you never met before. When you felt close to home, too far from your door, he pulled right over and he took you home. A true angel of flesh and bone. La la la. La 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 la. Remember the shop girl at the grocery store, when you lost your wallet, cash and cards and more. When you were desperate from searching, it was her on the phone. Another angel of flesh and bone. When you're sleepless and anxious at the rock bottom of night, you just turn over, you feel lifted and light. The sound of her breath says you are not alone. He's your angel of flesh and bone. Don't forget your angels of flesh and bone. La 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 la. La la la. La la la.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.